In the middle of Taiwan, there is an adorable town called Jiji awaiting for your visit, and it's super easy to get there. Let's go. First, hop on a HSR station nearby to get to Taichung Station. Then, follow the station signs to Xinwuri TRA Station and take the train to Ershui Station. After you arrive Ershui, go for a stroll on the street of Ershui to enjoy the special vibe of traditional Taiwanese old street while you are waiting for the train to Jiji. After you arrived, just set out on a bike to explore Jiji Town, its beautiful historical sites, natural landscape, and local specialty cuisine or items will sure win your heart.